Guys, I hope you are doing well. Today we will talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of stuck on loading on Fitbit. You click on settings. Here we go to apps, default apps, app settings. In this list you will search about Fitbit. Then we click on first stop and we click OK. Here you will enter to storage. And then we click on clear cache. In the end, you will turn off your phone and you will wait a moment to restart your phone again to fix that problem. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time and thank you for your watching and your attention.